recently entered into ChatGPT, you might know that ChatGPT can now see different conversations it has had with you in the past. If you go to your profile area and then click on the settings link, and then you head to the personalization area, you're going to notice now that there's an additional frame here that you can now see. The memory area used to have just reference saved memories, which you could toggle on and off. What you'll see now is that you can have ChatGPT reference your chat history, and this again is something that you can toggle on and off. So if you want to have ChatGPT reference some of your previous conversations, you can do it here. That's important to note that when your account is updated by ChatGPT, that the reference history is going to be enabled by default. So if you don't want it to reference previous conversations, you're going to need to go into the settings area, and you will then need to turn this off. Another element that may not have been obvious to you is the dictate command, and you'll see it in the dialog box. You can click on the microphone that says dictate. As long as you've given your browser and ChatGPT access to your microphone, you'll be able to dictate here in this area. What does this phrase mean? Now is the time for all good men to come to the aid of their countrymen. And what you'll notice is that when you click on the checkbox, this phrase will then be available inside of your dialog. So if you want to edit it before you submit it to ChatGPT, you can do it. But basically, you can dictate into this area and transcribe your phrasing here in the dialog box. Again, so thanks, and I'll see you in the next video.